Okay, things are getting exciting now. So we want to see where he's exactly moving to. So we can do that with the pen tool. So firstly, what we want to do is we want to go into the script section here and click on pen. And then we look for pen down, and we're going to put it in between here when flag clicked. And what we want to do is we want to set the pen size to a specific size, not too small, not too big. And you can test this and change this. Some people make the mistake of using change pen size by. It's definitely set pen size to 1. Always use that. Some people make that mistake. So we're just going to drag that in here. And it's basically setting a rule. When flag clicked up here, pen down, set pen size to, and we're going to change this to 10. And now the next step is what we want to do is for it to start from here, not before here, but here. So it will be clear when it comes in. And then we want to set the pen color to, and we're going to bring that into here. Oops, I picked the wrong one. It's not set pen color to 0. What we want to do is pick the actual color. So I'm just going to take this guy out here, put everything back, delete this guy, and then I want to set pen color to it's this one here. So I'm going to drag it in. So you see how easy it is when you make a mistake. They both say set pen color to. I grabbed it automatically, and I'm going to change it by choosing a color, just so the color that comes up here is a nice fun color. And I just click on here, and then as I'm moving around anywhere, as you can see, so if I head over to orange, it'll be orange. I'm going to stick with the green, so let's go with green. Okay, so let's test this. So we're going to press the flag, the pen will come down, set pen size 2, and here we go. There we are, rocking and rolling, rocking and rolling. There we go, really, really fast. Now, if I was change the size to 100, just to give you an idea, this is going to be a big one, much bigger. That's why I like the 10. It's about the right size. So copy this while you're doing this and have it create that, and I'll see you in the next video.